Hello, what is up everybody, RF7 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we will be checking out this random Hot Wheels diecast car, which is the Volvo Drift Wagon. Now the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, sorry. So this is number 4 out of 5 from Hot Wheels Slammed, and number 245 out of 250, so 5 away from the end of all 2023 cars. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So if I'm not mistaken, this should be its second debut of the Volvo 240. As you may have remembered, we got this particular drift car or drift wagon back in the same year, just that we got it in sort of like that reddish maroon with well, clean background, just that you have like some Hot Wheels decals on the side which you barely could see. And another thing is, the interior was silver that time. This time the interior is in gray, which I do really like. You can see the special things better from the interior. So nice to see that. Now it is in this bright green, I would say. It's like leaf, it's a leaf sort of green, which yeah, it's greenish. It's more to like greenish and slight yellow combination, sort of something like that. Now yeah, it looks pretty nice. Inclusion with some new rims. For the front rims, it uses a new set of rims, which are from I believe what appears to be that it's that new fantasy car that I quite forgot actually. And the rear wheels are actually regular, I don't know what, they kind of look empty, to be honest. They do have that light blue like strip, which is pretty nice. Yeah, by the way, the new set of rims are in white, which is interesting. I'm not sure what other colors they'll make for this one, this livery in particular. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out the car itself now. Yeah, let's see. So here it is, the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. Now yeah, not too much complaints. It looks pretty good from the side, other than the fact that it uses mixed match wheels, which is to me okay, as we use, I mean, it's like more to a drift wagon, so I'm fine with it. Just that the colors are a bit off. So yeah, we'll start from the rear fender right here. So it says Volvo right there, and it has the 240 at the bottom, which is interesting and nice. So you have black and white stripes, which are diagonal, and Hot Wheels logo right there in white, and Yokohama at the front door, which is nice. You have some exhaust tips coming up from the side in gray, which is pretty cool. And the window tint, before I forgot to mention, it is with the headlight tint as well, which is all in transparent blue, which is pretty cool. Front grille is in gray, which is together with the interior, which I do quite like. And then you have the front big front bumper right here in black, which is yeah, pretty awesome. I like that. Not sure what's this supposed to be. It's something related with the hood, maybe some sort of a hood scoop or something like that, which is pretty cool. Here's the other side if you're wondering. And oh, before I show the back, so yeah, it has that massive roof. I mean, it has that massive sunroof, which tinted in blue as well, so you can see the interior clearly. So what I think this is supposed to be a 5-seater, which is interesting. I don't see the clutch or like manual shifter anywhere. This should be manual, right? There's no way this is not manual. Overall, it's pretty nice. The gray interior is looking good. I think better than what we got previously with the chrome silver interior. Now this is what I said just now with the special thing inside. where you have two dogs looking outside from the rear view window, which it's not available here, so no rear view window. Instead, there are two dogs looking outside, two doggies, which is pretty cool. And let me just tell you, they are in that gray, that similar gray, tonal gray of the interior, which I do really like. We have got to mention the rear lip, or like spoiler, I guess, which is connected to the whole body, just if you're wondering, the metal body. So for the rear, you have some rear lights right there as usual. Volvo 240, and it says slammed as its license plate. Not sure what type of license plate is that. I believe it's from the UK or some sort, I think. Not entirely sure, but yeah, you have that big rear bumper as well in black, which is nice. So here is the base, which is also in black and it's plastic. Volvo 240 Wagon, Drift Wagon 2022 metal, and made in Malaysia. Oh yeah, I should have started to say this at the start of the video, that this is not actually the Super Treasure Hunt. This is the regular version. Normally I start off with that, but I kind of forgot. So yeah, just if you're wondering, this is not the Super Treasure Hunt. The Super Treasure Hunt has Spectre Flame paint and obviously different set of rims, which looks 10 times better than this, which I don't have actually. But yet again, what to do? It's Super Treasure Hunt. It's hard to find, so yeah, it's fine, I guess. But yeah, overall the Volvo Drift Wagon seems pretty nice. I love the color combo that they chosen. It's overall vibrant and pretty nice. I do highly commentate about this. It's very cool, very sleek and whatnot. I believe it's better, slightly better than the red one, but I think that this car will be many in stores, obviously, compared to another wagon that I'm still finding. It is the Datsun 510 Wagon, which is the pink with the donut rims in black and white, which is pretty tough to find. But yet again, what can I do? It is quite a tough wagon to find. But one of the easy ones would be this one, and yeah, I pretty like it. But yeah, there you go. That's my review of the Volvo 240 Wagon. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.